Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M32 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started, tap OK, then select LED keyboard by clicking on the switcher next to it, click OK again and tap on Input Options. Over here you need to tap on LED keyboard one more time. Then pick one of the options and tap on the theme that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I will click on it and click Accept. Now close the nut and click Download Theme. So now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!